Principe, lif vork biredayo et divided un autre épar, en épar contin sevral chepter. Arit breakdown. Paris, ou prime coming from. Chepté 1, te point of vie. Chepté 2, te lif principe. Chepté 3, te vork principe. Paris, lif principe 4. Chepté 4, embrasse reality and elwitit. Chepté 5, use 5 step process to jet you want out of leaf. Chepté 6, be radically open minded. Chepté 7, understand taper up le har vired very differently. Chepté 8, lire not to make decision effectively. Chepté 9, jette the principle out of your dans documentem. Chepté 10, recognize you will have a perfect information set. Chepté 11, synthesis the variable of water into your unbelievable worldview. Chepté 12, recognize to jet bayon désagrément. Paris, vork principe 13. Chepté 13, trust in radical truth en radical transparency. Chepté 14, lire not to use 5 step process in the vork environ. Chepté 15, recognize the most important element of agree collective decision, getting the right people in the room. Chepté 16, realize that WHO est more important en toi. Chepté 17, seamlessly integrate désagrément into decision making process. Chepté 18, nota al successful organisation avagre adel in common, but. Algré organisation also have their unique DNA. Chepté 19, maximise opportunité comme your way. Chepté 20, roman bêta plus réflexion égale progress. Introduction. Action item from the transcript. Reflect on the notion of principle. Tac un moment to contemplate the concept of principle. Consider the serva foundational truth for guiding behavior en decision making. Examine your own principle. Evaluate the principle that currently guide your life. Are they explicitly defined? Do they align with your goal and value? Consider the importance of clarity. Reflect on the significance of having clear, well-defined principle. Think about the clarity can positively impact various aspects of your life, including relationship and decision making. Explore personal goal and value. Define your own aspiration and value. What do you want to achieve, and what matters most to you? It will form the foundation for your personal principle. Embrace humility and open-mindedness. Recognize the importance of approaching life with humility and open-mindedness. Understand that you don't have all the answers, and be receptive to different perspectives. Avoid adopting principle thinking. Because you taboo adopting principle with careful consideration. Ensure that they align with your goal and value. Rate en blindly following a belief. Strive for authenticity. Ensure that your principle are authentic to your true character and value. Avoid being inauthentic. Haït quand de trust en self-respect. Reflect on failure en learning. Contemplate your past failure en what have contributed to your growth en learning. Consider what experience have shaped your approach to decision making. Consider different perspectives. Acknowledge the value of viewing situation from various angles. Understand how term have valuable insight, en consider what multidimensional approach can lead to better decision. Reflect on decision making criteria. Develop a habit of reflecting on your decision making criteria after making significant choice. Consider everything done your criteria. It can serve a valuable reference en aid in refining your principle. Explore systemizing decision making. Reflect on the potential benefit of systemizing your decision making process. Consider what is a pro, especially when combined with believability vetting. Quand enhance the quality of your decision. Think about shared principle in relationship. Reflect on the importance of shared principle in relationship. Evaluate what your value align with those of the people you are closest to. Consider the power of group decision making. Contemplate the effectiveness of group decision making, especially in environment full, une emotional désagrément lead to smarter, more effective outcome. Look forward to further learning. Anticipate the forthcoming interactive book in the form of an app, which will offer video and immersive experience for a more experiential learning process. Embrace the opportunity for further growth. Engage in independent thinking. Embrace the mantra of think for yourself. Consider what the approach can empower you to define your goal. Take truth, and take proactive steps toward achieving them. Par 1. Reflect on early influence. Tac à moment tout considère influence en expérience tâche à pedre d'alio early leaf. Tac à bout oyuro en bringing en terli expérience have influence à diur decision making. Explore personal strength en weakness. Reflect ton euro en innate strength en weakness. Identifie area triu excellent area triu man et to develop furté. Considère les carrés choix. Tac à bout choix you've made in pursuit of your goal. Audit décision influence your path. Reflect ton your carré aspiration aligne with your personal value. Evaluate the role of relationship. Reflect ton relationship in your life, especially with family members. Considère tes relationship have shaped your value, perspective, en decision making. Reflect ton learning from mistake. Considère mistake en failure have contributed to your personal growth en learning. Reflect ton notes experience have influenced your approach to decision making. Examine your work ethic en initiative. Tank à bout instance trio demonstrated a strong work ethic en initiative, what in your study, early job, or personal project. Consider tes experiences have contributed to your development. Reflect on your approach to risk taking. Consider your attitude to risk en revers. Reflect ton situation trio to calculated risk. En tes experiences shaped your perspective on achieving goal. Explore early exposure ou investing. Reflect ton early experience you had with investing or financial decision. Consider tes experiences have influenced your understanding of financial market. Evaluate influential figure. Reflect ton impact of influential figure like John F. Kennedy on your thinking en aspiration. Consider external influence have shaped your world view goal. Consider changing economic landscape. Reflect ton note économique en social landscape has evolved since 1960s. Consider a shift in economy ma impact your own goal en decision making. Examine your view en éducation. Consider your attitude toward éducation en formal schooling. Reflect on your perspective on learning and knowledge acquisition a influenced your decision making. Reflect on early market experience. If you have an early experience with stock market or investment, consider a theme have influenced your perception of financial market en decision making. Contemplate independence of tout. Reflect on instance trio exhibited independent thinking or to differ path dans your peer. Consider a independence a shaped your approach to decision making. Evaluate your approach to risk en failure. Consider your attitude toward risk, failure, en mediocrity aligne with redalia perspective. Reflect on your own mindset ma impact your pursuit of goal. Tank à bout personnel mantra orcot. Consider if you have an personal mantra orcot ta resonate with you. Reflect on notes motto influence your decision making en approach to life. Remember, tes actions itemar de zaignetu encourage self-reflection en mano directly aligne with your experience. Adapt tes manaides to suit your own circumstance en goal. Chapitre 2. 1. Embrasse changeant en certainty. Learn from experience, Red Dalio emphasized importance of learning from past experience, especially during volatility. Encourage a culture of continuous learning en adaptation within your organization. Expect unexpected, help your team understand that the future often very differ from the past. Encourage them to anticipate en prépare for une foresine challenge. Avoir de reliance on ressent expérience, bavard tapé up le temps tout bebiazet bisser ressent expérience. Encourage your team to consider broad range of historical data when making decision. 2. Fausseté à growth mindset. Value learning en curiosity. Encourage a love for learning en intellectual curiosity. A demonstrated bidalio interest in meditation en ecology major choice. Support personal development. Provides opportunity for team members to explore their interest and develop new skill. Consider flexible educational program or class ta align with their passion. 3. Understand market dynamic. Reflect on cause-effect relationship. Help your team analyse the cause-effect relationship in their respective domains. Encourage them to identify logical pattern and understand the consequence of various actions. Implement risk control. Emphasise importance of risk management in decision making. Encourage défensive stratégie to prevent significant loss. Monitor supply en demande dynamique. See your team to evaluate supply en demande no just in term of quantity but also in monetary value. Understand WHO te buer en selle à renser motivation. 4. Value maneg fulvork en relation SIP. Priorities goal, encourage your team to define ser primary goal en what limater to thème. Fausseté en environ moorbot maneg fulvork en maneg ful relation SIP par value. Balance priorici, il individual avec relative importance of differ aspects of ser live, including work, relation SIP, en financial stability. 5. Share knowledge en insight. Promote knowledge sharing, encourage regular communication of insight, observation, en analyse within your organisation. Ticould in the form of report, day observation, or team meeting. Leverage expertise, encourage employés to combine their deep industry knowledge with analytical insight to make informed decision. 6. Adaptant evolve. Embrasse change. Fausseté en environ change ici na opportunity for growth. Raté temps après à. Encourage individual to adaptant evolve with evolving circumstances. Continuously refine modèle. Encourage développement en refinement of model to better understand complex system. Promote intégration of technology to en ce decision making process. Chapitre 3 of the transcript provide la detailed account of the economic and market turmoil between 1979 and 1982, emphasizing the extreme volatility of the period. Red Alio reflect the experience during the time, including the interaction with influential figure like Bunker and lesson learned from significant market move. Katakawe. Understanding macroeconomic and historical data. Red Alio immersed yourself in macroeconomic and historical data, particularly focusing on interest rate and currency data, to gain the understanding of the economic force at play. Inflation en Fed response. Recognizing the rising inflation in 1978, Red Alio predicted that the Federal Reserve would act to tighten monetary supply. In July 1979, with inflation clearly out of control, Paul Volcker appointed chairman of the Federal Reserve. A announced a limit of 5.5% en monnaie supply growth. Silvero Lecoaste. Bunker 1. The richest man at the time, heavily invested in Silve hedge against inflation. Silve pris surged from $1.29 to nearly $50. Red Alio advised Bunker 1 to consider exiting Silve market due to the Fed tightening policy. Debt crisis and inflation. The period of 1979-1982 witnessed soaring interest rate and inflation, leading to one of the greatest economic and market crescendo en reversal since the Great Depression. Lesson from mistake. Red Alio experienced significant loss due to timing in the Silve market and economic prediction. Timing proved to be a critical factor, and a learned importance of being right at the right time. Market volatility and political change. The period was characterized by extreme volatility in both interest rate and gold price. Politically, the pendulum shifted to the right with leaders like Margaret Thatcher, Ronald Reagan, and Helmut Kohl coming to power. Debt crisis prediction. In March 1981, Red Alio wrote a day observation titled Next Depression in Perspective in which predicted a severe debt crisis. Mexico default en economic impact. In August 1982, Mexico default on debt, signaling a crisis. US Bank, heavily invested in the country, faced significant risk. Revaluating investment appro. Red Alio recognized need to revaluate the investment appro, acknowledging need for humility, objective self-assessment, and a balanced risk strategy. Lesson for success. Embrace failure learning experience and gâter lesson for future success. C'est out opposing opinion engage into full disagreement to increase the likelihood of making correct decision. Action item. Continue learning and research. Stay updated with macroeconomic trends, historical data, and market movement to make informed investment decision. Diversification en risk management. Diversify investment to mitigate risk associated with market volatility and economic fluctuation. Embrace humility and open-mindedness. Appro investment decision with humility, and open to diverse perspectives to refine and validate your own view. Study economic history. Analyse past economic crisis and their resolution to gain insight into potential future scenario. Balancing risk en revers. Focus on finding way to balance risk in investment to achieve a return without exposing yourself to unnecessary vulnerability. Avoid overconfidence. Guard against overconfidence in investment decision be constantly questioning assumption and seeking diverse viewpoints. Stress testing assumption. Regularly stress test your investment hypothesis be seeking feedback from knowledgeable errant expert. Long-term perspective. Understand a successful investing often require a long-term perspective, en avoid advance be short-term market fluctuation. Adaptability en continue improvement. Be willing to adapt and evolve your investment strategy based on lesson learned from both success and failure. Be a network of independent thinkers. Surround yourself with independent thinkers. WHO can provide diverse perspectives and challenge your idea to refine your investment strategy. Chapter 4. Red Dalio acquire 1 of yearly experience in building Bridgewater Associates provide valuable insight and actionable takeaway for aspiring entrepreneur, investor, and professional in various fields. Are some key action item gleaned from narrative. Embrace adversity and learning opportunity. Red Dalio face financial hardship in early day of Bridgewater. The lesson to view set book a opportunity for growth and learning. Instead of being discouraged by challenge, use them as stepping stone toward progress. Leverage technology for decision making. Dalio emphasizes the critical role of computer in refining trading strategy and decision making. Actionable item. Leverage technology and data analytics to enhance decision making in your own field. What is investing? Business operation. Or en IoT domain. Document decision making criteria. Dalio practice of documenting the criteria used for a Dalio for reflection and refinement. Create a systematic approach to decision making by establishing clear, logical criteria that can be analyzed and improved du pont. Backtest strategy for historical perspective. Testing decision rule against historical data provided Dalio with invaluable insight. Actionable item. Apply approach in your domain by examining historical data to refine your strategy and identify pattern for more informed decision making. Continue éducation and adaptation. Dalio commit to éducation en constant refinement of criteria to develop a robust trading system. Stay committed to lifelong learning and adaptability in order to remain competitive and effective in your field. Differentiate between forecasting and reacting. Recognize ta accurate forecasting is challenging, but adapting to new information in real time est crucial. Focus on reacting appropriately to available information rather attempting to predict the future. Develop risk neutral position. Dalio approach to separating speculative profit from core business profit provide a framework for managing risk. Create a clear distinction between speculative and core business activity, and establish strategy for managing a diversify by take confident action. Only take by you are really confident in and diversify them well. Ces principles can be applied to various aspects of decision making, from investment to strategic business move. Build relations globally. Dalio experience in China, Singapour, Abu Dhabi, en toute région highlight the value of global relationship. Actively seek opportunity to connect with people from diverse backgrounds, culture, en région to gain à broad des perspectives. Combine work en family creatively. Dalio integration of family life with work demonstrate the possibility of combining personal and professional responsibility. Seek opportunity to creatively involve family in work related activity, en priorities open communication. Create manage work relationship. Faut stay open, honest, en manage relationship in the workplace. Encourage un environnement team member feel comfortable sharing their perspectives en idea. Visit book a opportunity for refinement. Dalio decision to close Bridgewater China partner. Despite the potential, exemplified importance of prioritizing long-term success over immediate gain. Don't be afraid to pivot or close door when needed for the greater good. Implementing those action items can lead to more effective decision making, improved business strategy, and a greater ability to navigate challenge and uncertainty in an professional field. Red Dalio journey in building Bridgewater Associates provide invaluable lessons on creating a culture of radical truth and transparency within organization. It is a pro, to initially challenging, provide instrumental in achieving exceptional reçu. Hard key action item derived from Dalio narrative. Priorities mission driven individual. C'est individual WHO are aligned with the organisation mission en value. surrounding on a self with like minded individual foster a sense of purpose en dédication. Encourage open en franc communication. Promote ta culture of openness en frankness. Encourage team members to express their opinion en concern with to fear of retribution. Foster a learning en growth mindset. Embrace adversity a an opportunity for learning en growth. Mistake en setback comme powerful teacher, leading to meaningful improvement. Leverage technology for informed decision making. Utilise technologie en data analytic to enhance decision making process. Backtesting strategy against historical data provide valuable insight. Distinguish between short-term fluctuations en long-term goal. Avoid overacting to short-term reçu. Stick with sound fondamental en long-term strategy. But in investment en relationship. Systematise decision making process. Develop systematic approach to decision making. Clearly specify. Test. En systematise logique to ensure consistency en effectiveness. Balance experience with character en creativity. Value character, creativity, en common sens à longues d'expérience. Embrace individual with diverses backgrounds en fresh perspective. Embrace constructive feedback. Encourage open dialogue à boost en weakness. Constructive feedback allow for continue improvement. Document mistake en learn from them. Create en terror log to track en analyse mistake. Use them a opportunity for learning en process improvement. Establish clear principle for interaction. Define principle for en individual communicate en interact with organisation. Clarity help manage expectation en reduce conflict. Embrace conflict à path to progress. Recognize ta désagrément en conflictar natural. Use them a opportunity to learn, grow, en arrive à better solution. Combine logique en motion in decision making. Understand interplay between logical and emotional aspects of decision making. Manage the conflict effectively to drive positive outcome. Be implementing tes actions items, individuals en organisation quand cultivate environ of radical truth en transparency, leading to more effective decision making, stronger relationship, en ultimately, great success in their endeavor. Chapitre 5. The Ultimate Boon, 1995-2010. Ti transcript provide valuable insight into the growth en evolution of Ridgewater Associates during the period 1995-2010. Rares somme actionnable takeaway. Itérative, evolutionary approach. Continue itérative, evolutionary approach to refining investment system. Embrace mistake a learning opportunity en bring them to surface for analysis. Invest in talent en technologie. Here's key programmer en you on graduate to en research capability. Invest in powerful computing system to gain high level perspective in decision making. Explore new asset class. Consider the potential of creating new asset class by exploring unconventional investment opportunity. Evaluate the risk return profile of emerging investment option. Consider inflation's indexed bond. Assess the benefit of inflation indexed bond in creating portfolio with stable return relative to inflation rate. Implement risk parity investing. Explore the concept of risk parity investing to construct diversifié portfolio that perform well in value economic environment. Embrace transparency en openness. Record en Mac available most meeting. Allowing for transparency en share d'informations across the organisation. Encourage open discussion à bout decision making process. Fostering a culture of meritocracy. Développant share work principle. Clearly articulate and disseminate work principle ta guide decision making within organisation. Encourage ongoing discussion en refinement of principle to adapt to changing situation. Understand individual thinking style. Utilise psychometric testing to gain insight into individual thinking style en préférence. Leverage technology to assign task en responsibility align with individual strength. Adresse technologie en infrastructure challenge. Recognize tenai to balance cutting edge technology with rock solid infrastructure. Prioritize the renovation of critical system en process to ensure stability en efficiency. Effective délégation en leadership. Un fort orchestration of tasks to bedon well to direct involvement. Focus on finding en training capable individual for care responsibility. Strive for excellence. Continuously un fort highest level of success in managing investment and the business at all. Balance growth with culture preservation. Evaluate trad of that win organisational growth en maintaining a unique compan e-culture. C'est innovative solution to preserve cultural value while expanding the business. By implementing tes action item, organisation quand on sert investment strategy. Foster a culture of transparency en meritocratie, en navigate challenge associated with growth en organizational development. Developing teamless en universal principle. Crête économique en market principle ta art applicable across different régions. Ensure ta te have worked in past in various country. Implementing early warning system. Establish early warning system, sujet de pression gauche. Quand signale risk of economic crise, leak debt crise en dépression. Researching historical crise. Analyse en study historical debt crise en ser impact on market. Inclut des vents sujet latin américain debt crise, Japan's debt crise, .com bubble burst, etc. Maintaining a balance des pro. Balance investment to have considerable topsy de potential while limiting downside de risque. Avoid overextending position basée dans confidence alone. Engaging with policymaker. Actively communicate with policymaker to share insight en stress test économique via. Provide them with data en analyse to support your perspective. Adapting to changing economic conditions. Be vigilant en adaptable in response to changing economic conditions, especially during time of historic turbulence. Leveraging technology en système. Utilise advanced system en technologie to process information en make investment decision. Leverage algorithme for more efficient en effective portfolio management. Managing capacity en return. Strategically manage capacity to balance client need for growth with the potential impact on performance. Consider creating specialized fund for specific market conditions. Promoting organizational transparency. Encourage transparency en open communication with organisation. Ensure ta principle en decision making process clearly understood by all team members. Documenting principle for external understanding. Articulate en document organisationnel principle to provide clarity to external stakeholders. Chartes principle en public platform to help others understand a pro. Maintaining a rigorous hiring process. Implement a thorough hiring process to identify individual WHO align with the organisation culture, value, en X standard. Priority character, common sense, en creativity. Fostering a culture of adaptability. Crête en environnement encourage individual to embrace change. Learn from mistake, en adapt to challenge. Provide training en support to help employee navigate difficult situation. Transitioning leadership en mentorship. Develop a plan for transitioning leadership role, including mentoring successor. Facilitate a smooth transition of responsibility while maintaining a focus on organizational excellence. Tes actions items reflètent que stratégie en practice outlined provided transcript. Te encompasse principes related to economic analysis, investment strategy, risk management, organizational culture, en leadership succession. Chapitre 6. Returning to Boone, 2011-2015. Chapitre 6 Outline Redalio Transition from second to third phase of life, outre focus on mentoring en helping others succeed. Chapitre also delve into Dalio Exploration of Chaper moins individual WHO have unique en valuable vision en successfully bring them to life. Art que action item derived from Chapitre. Identifying Chaper. Besoin a process to identify potential Chaper within your organization or network. Look for individual WHO consistently bring original en valuable vision to fruition. Evaluate transition option. If you're considering a transition from a leadership role, weigh the pro and cons of completely stepping back versus staying on a mentor. Consider the potential impact on the organisation and the individuals involved. Formulating a transition plan. If a transition is deemed necessary, develop a clear and comprehensive plan. Ensure it include atmeline, responsibility, and a feedback mechanism to make adjustment and needed. Diagnose leadership gap. If you're transitioning out of a leadership role, create a detailed log of your responsibility and compare the quality you bring to role with those of your successor. Identify en gap and work to address them. Understanding Chaper. Familiarize yourself with the quality of Chaper. Recognize that they are independent thinker with strong mental map, resilience, and a wide range of vision. Distinguished type of shaper. Differentiate between shaper WHO excel à inventing, managing, orbot. Understandta consist shaper artos WHO sustain success of extended period. Utilise big data for decision making. Considers implementing big data analytic en algorithm to en ce decision making process. Uses tool tools objectively analyse behavior en outcome, minimizing personal bias. Systemize principle. Développe décision rule based on principle for bot investment en management process. Encourage transparency en collaboration in refining the system. Promotant IDA méritocratie. Fausseté à culture of cause effect relation super transparente en understandable bial. Encourage everyone to contribute to development of decision making criteria. Focus on go d'Abi thinking. Encourage development of principle thinking à Abi. Promote regular exploration of the reasoning based established principle. Priorities speed in transition. Recognize the urgency in making necessary transition en implementing new management system. Balance the need for speed with the RUG évaluation en adaptation. Reflect on life milestone. Take team to reflect on personal milestone en life stage. Use the réflexion to inform décision à bout carré transition entre legacy you wish to leave. Be taking tes actions items into considération. Individuals en organisation can work toward creating a smooth transition of leadership relent cultivating a culture of continuous improvement en success. Addressing Europe-ended crisis. 1. Increase granular understanding. Policymaker should focus on gaining a detailed understanding of the borrower en lander int market, en osser ability to borrow en land mass change with shifting market conditions. 2. Avoid oversimplification. Policymaker must refrain from oversimplifying the complexity of market en economy. They should recognize that investors are diverse and have different motivation. 3. Prepare for worst case scenario. Policymaker should not dismiss potential crisis based on current stability. They should consider worst case scenario and be prepared to act proactively. 4. Facilitate effective decision making. Establish efficient decision making process, especially in multinational body like European Union, to ensure timely response to crise. 5. Promote prudent economic policy. Encourage policymakers to implement sound economic policy, even if they are politically challenging, to avert or mitigate potential crise. Implementing quantitative easing. 6. Understand mechanism of economic stimulus. Policymakers should have a clear grasp of economic stimulus measure, such as quantitative easing, operate, particularly in relation to bon purchase. 7. Overcome market fragmentation. In region with multiple bon market, central bank should develop strategy to ensure fair and balanced quantitative easing measure across all big country. 8. Priorities inflation target. Central bank should actively work toward achieving inflation target, considering the vital component of economic stability. 9. Engage in open communication. Foster open en collaborative dialogue between central banker and economic policy maker to discuss impact of monetary policy en surachat understanding. Philanthropic and war. 10. Balancing family and with the beneficiary. Family engaging in philanthropy should carefully consider allocation of resources between immediate family need and contribution to broader social cause. 11. Identify impactful cause. Priorities cause with direct, tangible impact, such as improving education in underserved community, ou philanthropy qui for can make a significant difference. 12. Collaboration en multigénérationnel planning. Family involved in philanthropy should engage in collaborative planning taspant multiples générations to ensure a sustainer impactful contribution to society. 13. Advocate for environmental stewardship. Promote awareness en support for initiative focused on the conservation and sustainable management of natural resources, with a particular emphasis on océan. 14. Leverage expertise en network. Utilise individual strength en network within a family to amplify impact of philanthropic and war, ensuring a diversified approach to addressing societal challenge.